Hey guys, and welcome to giveaway day. Now make sure, if you guys would like a chance to win, to watch the video for the 3 steps. Anyways, we're gonna get started with the gifting. Right here we have our latest winner. So we're gonna go right into the item shop. Now DPG said that he wanted the pack, so that's down here below, the Black Ice Legends pack. So that's down here. There's nothing else that's giftable. Yeah, it's the only pack that's actually giftable. So we're gonna gift it right out. So here it is. Gift it away. I can just take a look at who's in my party. There's DPG. I can see that he doesn't own it. Perfect. And I can send that off as a gift. Any gifts that you send out, they do get him right away. If somebody doesn't, they just have to restart their Fortnite and that's it. But regardless, it's gonna be right away. Now it does say gift sent, so I know it's sent out. Plus, right now if I click on his name, it says that he owns this. So that's perfect. Let's see if we go back. Now DPG, we should be able to see you wearing that stuff, or right now you're claiming it. Sometimes we do have to change our banners, restart Fortnite in order to see that happening, like getting the gift or going to a game. You get out of the game and there we go. So that's one of them. Can you change throughout all the skins that you got? Because there's 3 from the pack, right? That you just got right now. The second one, all right, looks awesome. And that's your final one. Cool. I noticed a lot of people signed up for this pack, which is worth it. It looks really cool too. Step number 1, go right into item shop right here on Fortnite. On the bottom right hand side, you're gonna see support a creator. So you're just gonna go right into there and type in tech and design. Now keep in mind, it can be all caps or it can be just like you see it right now. Click on done, accept. Step number 2, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Tech and Design. So just hit subscribe. Step number 3, below in the comments area of this video, you're gonna type in, I want to win a free skin battle pass emote back bling. It depends what you guys want to win, just type that in. So in this case, if you're signing up for a free skin, type in what skin you guys want. You guys want the battle pass? If you're signing up for that, then it's the battle pass. So be specific what you guys want, and in the end, just type in your epic username. And that's because I have to match up your epic username with whatever name you guys are using right here on YouTube. Anyways, that would be it. All you guys have to do is follow those 3 very simple steps and you're all done. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.